Hello, my name's Dean Gray. I'm from Cairns Property Office. Today, I'd like to welcome you to Innisfail, right here in beautiful tropical North Queensland. If you've ever considered escaping the rat race, this property just may be the answer to your question. Let's have a look through this fantastic property. Set on over an acre of land, it's very easy to let the rainforest consume you, because in no time at all, you'll feel a sense of relaxation come over you. If you live in one of our southern states, this could be the ultimate escape for you. Purchase to live in, rent, or it would make a great Airbnb. With open plan living, a sensational deck, rainforest, creek running in the background, it really doesn't get much better than this. With a wonderful aspect like this, what better place to enjoy your morning coffee? The kitchen is light and airy, plenty of bench space. We've got a fantastic lounge room, air conditioning, and the deck, it's like stepping straight out into the rainforest. Live in full-time, part-time, or use as an escape property for you and your friends or business associates. Even though this is rainforest living, everything is still close at hand. Schools, retail shopping, hospital, it's all just a stone's throw away. So you can see what the property's got to offer. We're surrounded by nature at its very best. Give me a call to arrange an inspection.